squishing the puppy. Not paying attention.
No, she's not squishing.
Yeah, she was. I just took it from her. There's a dog paw. Just put that heater on top of here. Good girl. Push. She needs to be able to see the puppy or she's going to freak out. Good girl. Push. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl.
Where are they?
I don't know. Good girl.
Oh, hurry up. Right here. They're not even in the package? Here, Charlie. Here, quick.
Good girl.
Here, bump on this side, this hand, yeah.
Oh, good girl.
There's only one in there.
Oh, here he comes.
Where are they going? Keep
Oh.
pushing.
Oh, good girl. Oh, oh, keep going. Oh my God. Holy shit. Oh my God. Look at the blue. He's a blue. Oh, he's beautiful, Ellie. He's beautiful,
I
Ellie.
wanted to get this on the board.
Oh, look at him. He's beautiful. He's a blue. I don't know if it's a boy, but oh,
Is that
it's a blue. Yep, the blue. See the stripes on him?
what it means?
Yeah, it's a blue. He's a blue.
That means be like
It's a blue. Yeah, it's a blue.
Blue steel.
And
Do you have
it's,
any white spots?
it is a boy. Oh, he's sorry, Ellie. Sorry, he's right there. He's a boy. Shh, keep my voice down.
Look at his face.
He's huge. Look at
his
him.
face. He's gonna have a big pit bull
Oh,
face.
this is the one that.
That's Mojo.
That's the one that's getting sold right now. First pick right here. Here's the boy.
Number 2.
What time is it? She'll want to know what time he's born.
Oh, so I gotta hit the stop this thing.